Hello everyone, Russell Wright from networkempire.com, and today I'm going to give you the last update before we have our live Theme Zoom certification event in Phoenix. And I'm very excited about this event where we're going to teach 9 students the socially activated one web ring perpetual downstream traffic system. So this is March 4th, 2013. I'm going to give you some quick updates. I'm going to keep this under 4 minutes just to make sure that all of the networkempire.com exclusive members know the content, benefits, and features that have been added to the content area inside networkempire.com, as well as the software updates to Domain Web Studio and others. But first, an announcement. I'd like to welcome and thank Kevin Pauly, who is now helping out on our help desk and many other locations. This is not an average person. Kevin has been with us since 2006. As Sue writes, he's been in the inner circle of both ThemeZoom and Network Empire since 2006. Now, what this translates for those of you watching who are networkempire.com members and software users of either our Empire building system, the perpetual RSS one web ring system, and the rest, is that you're going to have top support, fanatical support, as well as somebody who's trained on, well, the rather complex and amazing systems that we have. These are not systems that you can just pick up someone off the street. So thank you and welcome, Kevin. We're so glad to have you. Number 2, quick WordPress silos using free plugins. Sue adds that one of the things that Kevin has done for us is pull together a course that involves a lot of material that Sue and I have been using for a while. Kevin pulled some of his own material in about how to quickly create website silo architecture with WordPress, even if you don't want to use the Network Empire system. Now, you're going to have to log in with your username and password in order to gain access to this material. But once you do, you're going to have access to something that I feel is a greatly needed asset in the industry. There hasn't been a basic silo structure PDF or document since 2007. As you know, website silo architecture is a way that you can rank higher for thousands of keywords using far fewer inbound links than your competition because of the philo taxes, or the organized data hierarchy that Google uses to determine relationships. Okay, well, that's very, very hard. In fact, Bruce Clay and Red Door Interactive charge anywhere from $3,000 a month to $5,000 to $80,000 setting up a big major site such as an Amazon-style site or bigger, just to make sure that the internal linking structure is correct. Well, now you can do this in the comfort of your own home with a simple WordPress blog, even if you're a beginner, and even when you don't want to use our recurring Domain Web Studio system that allows you to automatically spit a website silo architecture site out using our Silo blog builder. So let me just quickly explain what I just said, because many people have been confused. Silo blog builder is a website that, when you purchase our plugin, allows you to create a website silo architecture, a very complicated type of internal linking structure in your blog in under 5 minutes. But the caveat here is, warning, you need Domain Web Studio to effectively use the Ultimate Silo plugin. This plugin uses the data from Domain Web Studio. That's what you get when you purchase the Domain Web Studio membership at networkempire.com in order to build out your silo architecture blog. Okay, and you have to subscribe. Well, that bums a lot of people out because they don't have the money to purchase Domain Web Studio, and they might want to start doing things without Domain Web Studio. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into the members area, and you can be in the networkempire.com members area without purchasing the plugin. Okay, and without purchasing Domain Web Studio, and now you'll have access to the silo structure blog using free plugins in the membership area. And this is fantastic. Step 1 is setting up the blog. Step 2, silo structure and setup, silo configuration, finalizing silo plugin setup, connecting posts within a category, adding related posts to post pages. All of this with just plugins that you can find for free on the web. Okay, without having an automatic system. And we figure when you're ready, you can go bigger to the Silo plugin sales page. You can get the Silo plugin, and you can purchase Domain Web Studio. Okay, so that brings us to our next topic, which is the changes made in the Domain Web Studio application. We're talking speed, folks. Sue says everybody loves the keyword decision screen in DWS. Everybody hated the speed. Okay, we're going to show you what happened. We've actually increased a massive we found a massive database issue, which was this amazing screen, the blueprint cost overview, blueprint value. It's the only screen of its kind in the industry, you guys and gals. What it does is it tells you the total cost, the amount of time it's going to take you to rank, the total value of all the keywords, and the giant pile of money based on total search market value, and so much stuff that it would be impossible to cover now. But there is no data like it of its kind related to SEO and website silo architecture. Problem was, it was making this screen last up to 15 to 20 seconds in its load time. Well, that's the old screen. Now, we've changed it so that the view blueprint cost analysis is a link, and you go to a different screen. This is sped it up anywhere from 2 to 3 seconds. I'm sorry. It's gone from 20-second load time on the screen down to 2 or 3 seconds. So thank you for your patience. Thank you so much for everyone who's helped us create this change and troubleshoot this bug, and now it's looking great. So thanks very much to the Network Empire team for making that possible. Number 4, SEO image optimization inside the members area. This is available to everybody who is in the networkempire.com members only area. Even if you have only the basic members area, okay? You're just going to log in, and you're going to see the new course. This is actually available at Network Empire. It would actually be localsearchempire.com. Okay, and it's really, really cool. We have a blog post out on it as well. Let me switch to that while that's loading. Okay, you go to networkempire.com/blog, and it's going to take you right to our blog area. And you're going to see beyond Facebook, 13 local image optimization tricks to increase your traffic. Okay, this is all a part of what we call the Local Search Empire course. Sorry, we were getting hit with so much traffic. We just did a big launch, and so for a second we were down. But you'll need to be logged in to the members area to see this, or you can go, if you want to go directly to the link inside this presentation, it's going to be localsearchempire.com, and you can still log in using your members only username and password. We're going to give you the optimization for local images. Now this is tactic 12, but there's 13 tips and tricks, and you're going to want to see these. Okay, so that's what we've actually launched today. And again, even the basic members area that do not have Domain Web Studio are able to gain access to the SEO image optimization. Please do take a look at this, because image optimization is very, very important to the whole video pin and downstream traffic system that I use for video and everything else. You need to know how to optimize your images. Okay, there's more blog posts available for members that actually lead to more private membership stuff. We have the Twitter Army. I wrote a little post called Tweet Adder, how to not get your Twitter account banned. Okay, and that's very important, because in the one web ring socially activated perpetual downstream traffic system, Twitter Army is an option that you have in the WR3 ring. Okay, a lot of our students are really enjoying the extra free traffic, sometimes thousands of visitors per week, coming from the Twitter Army that they build. Okay, in order to learn how to build this in our standard and to safely integrate it, you're going to need to take the One Web Ring course and or the live theme Zoom certification event. So all you need to do is go to this particular blog post, okay, and you're going to see my first video where I give a whole lot away for free, and then just log into the members area. Okay, you'll see a login area so you can get the remaining several videos on how I show you how Tweet Adder may be used and how you might not want to use it if you use these kinds of softwares. Okay, all right, then there's the rare video series that I just launched. This has been kind of controversial. Part of the controversy is that I gave a whole lot more away in this video than we had anticipated. Here's the first video of the socially activated one web ring perpetual traffic downstream traffic system, and there's even a link to one of our interesting but incomplete flash animations where I give you a ton of really good advice, even the basic introduction to the socially activated system, the one web ring system, and you'll start to get the idea of what you learn in the live theme Zoom certification event and how we teach you to connect the dots with such an amazing traffic system. When this is set up, folks, the traffic is essentially free. In other words, it's not paid traffic. Once you do it and you understand how everything's connected, you're going to be quadrupling or more the traffic that you would get that you're not paying for in your pay-per-click campaigns or CPA campaigns or anything else. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. And that's pretty much it. Okay, let's just go ahead and go back home here. We hope to see you on the inside. My name is Russell Wright, and we are going to be teaching a live theme Zoom certification event. If you want to learn how these things all connect even above and beyond what we offer at the networkempire.com members area, please do contact us at ThemeZoom. And you can go to themezoom.com or networkempire.com. You can also email talk to us at networkempire.com. That's TALK number 2 US at networkempire.com. Also, if any of these things seem interesting to you and you would like the rest of the story, please do visit networkempire.com. And I think for $47 a month, or networkempire.basic.com, you can have the members information only without having to purchase our high-end software, Kraken, ThemeZoom, or any of the market domination tools that we've built that are considered even by industry giants to be the most advanced tools and systems. That means combined with educational systems in the world. If I drop some names of people who are using our things, you'd recognize them. And they don't offer this kind of integration. And that's, the one WebRing system. We want you to have a holistic view so that you can toss out what is useless in the future and stick with what is evergreen and create a perpetual traffic system and conversion for your business. I'll see you on the inside.